Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Friday and marks the last trading day of the week. So before we go to the chart, let's check fundamentals. As you can see today at 12:30 Ghana time, we have core PCE price index and we're expecting negative news. Also at 2 p.m., we have consumer sentiment and we're expecting positive news. These are the fundamentals we have for today. So let's go back to the chart. And as you can see, yesterday, I made you guys understood that we are waiting to sell from the 61 zone. And exactly it did. We took a nice sell, which gave over 300 pips. We took a second sell for 180 pips. So yesterday was a nice day. And as a result, I am done for the week. So I'm not trading today. So this and outlook is for those of you who are going to trade today. All right. So let me clear everything. Let's go to daily chart. And yesterday, as you can see, the way yesterday's candle closed is not really nice for me because you can see clearly that we are having a bearish engulfing which formed on Wednesday. All right, so I was expecting yesterday's candle to close below the opening of Tuesday's candle, but you can see that it closed above the opening of the Tuesday's candle, which indicates that the market can still push up to somewhere the 64 area, okay, or can even go higher. At the same time, it can also drop. All right. So let's check H4. Now, if you look at H4, so this is where I was talking about yesterday, where we took the sell from. Yeah. And we also have this level right there. If you look at H4, H4 is not really presenting any good opportunity. It's not really saying anything nice. So let's jump to H1. Now, when you jump to H1, you can see that we have first low, we have second low, and now we are having a third low, right? So are we going to push all the way up and come down? Or what exactly is going to happen? Maybe the market will test somewhere. It will break this area, go down for a retest, go all the way here, and then it can continue on pushing up just like that. All right. That is possible. At the same time, we can also go all the way. It can just respect this area, okay? And then drops for us to continue on selling down. So whatever happens, we just have to be on the sidelines, watch and react. But at the same time, you can also see some kind of trending. Okay, the market is pushing up slowly with the first low, the second low. Now we have a third low right there, which you can see that this is a lower, a low, a higher low, and another higher low. But if you are looking at this, so we are having something like ascending triangle right there. Okay, so it can go all the way like that and probably break to the upside and fly. At the same time, it can also break to the downside and keep selling off. Okay. So as I am not going to trade today, I will just observe what exactly is going to happen. And when we get in a good move, I will show you guys on Monday is when I will actually take the trade. By Monday, those who will be liquidated will be liquidated. There is where I will also get the opportunity to bank again. All right. So guys, just allow the market to play out. Okay. Now let's turn to 30 minutes. What is happening in 30 minutes? If you look at 30 minutes, you can see there is nothing really serious about today's market. So my advice, just stay away. Okay. You can observe. Now, this area here is turning to liquidity area. To me, you ask me, it's turning to liquidity. So if you want to do anything, wait for this area right there. Okay. So there might be a push inside this zone. Then you can also sell it down. Aside that, I will not advise you to sell. But of course, the market can still respect this area and sell from there. Somehow like 100 pips. All right. So just observe the market. Once you get a good opportunity, you can actually go into the market and trade. If you don't see any good opportunity, just go home and rest. All right. This is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video. So comment this weekend, what video do you guys want me to do for you? Send it in the comment section and I will do that. All right. So I'll see you and have a nice day.